Welcome back, everyone. Anthony Special here with Special Analysis. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to take a look at soybeans. So, as many of you know, I am, my connection to Wall Street is commodities. I come from a blue collar Main Street business. Particularly in the energy sector, we have gas stations and auto repair facility, things of that nature. That's what I grew up in, and it wasn't until probably later, a little later into my late 20s, that I realized that it was time for something different. It was time for something more, and Wall Street was kind of where I turned to. So my natural attraction was to the commodity market. It was simply because, that's what Main Street runs on. Main Street exists because commodities are bought, sold, consumed, and things of that nature. So, to me, commodities run the world, and agriculture being one of them. Food is something that we certainly can't live without. So, if somebody's making money on it, I want to make money on it too. So, here's another opportunity. I'm going to break down this trade for you, kind of give you my thought process as it moved along, tell you what I liked about the trade, tell you where my concerns lie. Um, and that's essentially what I give to my clients. I give my clients a rounded perspective of what I'm looking at, and so it gives them the opportunity to decide what meets their criteria. My clients range from students that are brand new and have never traded before a day in their life, to money managers and hedge funds and things of that nature that are looking simply for the research, and that's what I offer them. So, taking a look at soybeans here, ticker SOYB. We'll just back it out a little bit. You can see, this was really on a crazy tear with the rest of the commodity market. Impulse, corrections, impulses. Really didn't spend too much time below the 200-day here, where we established some support. And then we really accelerated very fast from that point to the upside. So what happened is the market kind of started to form this. You don't want to call it a top per se, but you can see that the market really flattened out. How did we identify that? We connected these tops here, and confirmed them as what we know as resistance. We duplicated or cloned that line, placed it at the bottom here, which should serve as some form of support. And ultimately, what I particularly look for is a break of support or resistance, and a break that is substantial, meaning more than 1%. That's my criteria. If it just touches it or flirts with it, that's not good enough for me. I really prefer to see it break more than 1%. And the way I confirm that is I simply measure the structure, which is this yellow line, to the close of the candle. So it's about 2.34%. So our confirmation was there, and it was a signal to sell. So a sell order was placed here. This was our channel extension. So this is our primary channel. We just essentially extended it. We had some support below that as well, but I always like to take the conservative approach. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to gamble. I don't want to risk more than I have to. I want to take calculated risks. I want to get in and out as quick and efficiently as possible. And you can see that's pretty much what happened. This was the trigger here. You can see there was a little pushback. It confirmed that was once support is now resistance. Price pushed down below, and then the next week it just simply filled our target. So again, in less than 2 weeks' time, we locked up 4.21%. I know that these numbers are not huge, but the idea is to do it consistently. We will have big winners, but we are in a period of the market right now where the things are starting to roll over. Some things are trending, some things are not. We've had some nice 16+%, 20+% moves, but the reality is we're getting a lot of these follow through opportunities. But if you start to add these up week after week, if we can put a dozen of these together over a short period of time, 4%, times 10 really does make a whole heck of a difference for the value of your trading account. So this is another ticker that I prepare for my weekly market report recipients. If you want to learn more about that, there's some links in the email that you're welcome to help yourself to clicking and see if something may be a fit for you. If not, please, I encourage you to come back and watch these videos. These videos are here and designed for informational and educational purposes, so that you kind of get a feel, for a different approach, a long-handed, old-school approach to navigating the markets. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, most importantly, I hope you learned something. I hope it opened your eyes to maybe something a little different, looking at the market in a different light. And I hope you have a great day, and hopefully I will see you and speak to you again tomorrow.